Have you ever felt like the universe is trying to tell you something important? Sometimes, it sends clear signals, but the hustle and bustle of daily life makes us miss those special moments. Today, your angels are more active than ever, working to ensure you do not ignore the vital message that is about to emerge. Tomorrow, a significant decision, possibly the most impactful of your recent life, will be made. And this is not just a coincidence. It is a divine intervention, a call for you to be attentive and ready for what is to come. Imagine this: time seems to accelerate, the minutes fly by, and each moment brings new energy around you. Your angels are in full action, sending vibrations and signals for you to feel the urgency of this moment. They know you are facing a choice that could transform your path. To align with this powerful energy, it is essential that you take a moment to pause, reflect, and connect with the greater purpose that guides your life. Have you ever felt like something bigger is at stake, something that you cannot simply ignore? Now is the time to set distractions aside and focus on what truly matters. Your angels are by your side, ready to guide each of your steps, but it is crucial that you remain open to receive this guidance. Tomorrow will not be just any day. It will be a day when the universe will unite powerful forces to shape your destiny. This is an urgent sign. It is time to align with your life mission. The purpose that the universe has planned for you is revealing itself, and to follow this path, you need to be prepared to make tough decisions. Perhaps you are feeling uncertain or afraid of what is to come, but remember, this feeling is temporary. It is there to strengthen you, preparing you for the transformation that is about to happen. Be attentive, listen to what your heart is saying, and trust the guidance of your angels. Tomorrow could be the day that marks the beginning of a new and incredible journey for you. Focus on your intentions, as they have the power to shape the reality that is about to manifest in your life. Have you ever paused to reflect on what you truly desire? Where exactly do you want to go? Now is the ideal moment to connect deeply with these internal truths and allow them to guide each of your decisions. Imagine your angels are by your side, sending clear and constant signs so that you do not stray from your path, helping you to remain steadfast and determined on your journey. ##### reflection and introspection throughout your life. You have faced countless situations that required tough choices. Some of these decisions brought pain and challenges, while others provided growth and learning. Today, your angels ask you to take some time to reflect on these past experiences, as they hold the keys to the wisdom you so desperately need at this moment. Although the past cannot be changed, it offers valuable lessons that can be applied in the present. Through this reflection, you will discover how all the pieces fit together perfectly, understanding that each decision was essential for your spiritual and personal growth. Allow yourself to dive deeply into your own soul, exploring your most intimate feelings and thoughts. Ask yourself important questions. What has been holding me back until now? What are the obstacles preventing me from moving forward? Your angels are here to remind you that you possess the necessary strength to leave the past behind. They want you to understand that this is a moment of personal transformation, a crucial phase in which you need to release fears, doubts, and insecurities to fully embrace the new phase of your life. This is the time to empower yourself. Believe that within you lies immense strength, an infinite capacity to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Your angels are by your side, encouraging you to take the next step with courage and determination. They know that fear often tries to paralyze you, but now is the time to break those chains. The transformation you desire is within your reach, and all you need to do is trust yourself and the divine guidance that is being generously offered to you. Remember that you are not alone on this journey. With the guidance of your angels and the inner strength you possess, you are prepared to face any challenge and transform your life in a positive and meaningful way. Embrace this moment of change with confidence and open your arms to the new possibilities that are coming your way. Tomorrow, with the rising of the sun, you will be at a decisive moment in your journey. Have you stopped to think about the importance of this moment? Your angels are aware that in order to move forward, you will need a lot of courage, but also a deep trust in something greater than yourself. This is the perfect moment to remember that you are never alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning a series of events that will lead to the crucial decision you need to make. But be careful, this decision cannot be made lightly. It requires your full attention and, above all, an intense connection with your intuition. Imagine that you are participating in a great cosmic game, where every move needs to be thought out carefully. You have the ability to choose the path you want to follow, but the right choice will only be made when you truly listen to the whispers of your heart and your angels. The greater purpose they have for your life is gradually revealing itself, but it is necessary to have patience and wisdom to interpret these signs correctly. Time doesn't stop, and your angels are sending messages in every possible way. Have you noticed those synchronicities, like repeating numbers, recurring dreams, or a constant feeling that something grand is about to happen? These are clear signs that you are being guided. Do not disregard them. Let this guidance lead you to the decision you need to make. Throughout this process, it is essential that you reconnect spiritually. What does that mean? Simply taking time to meditate, to calm down, and truly listen to that inner voice that always knows what is best for you. Often, the answer we are seeking is within us, but external noise prevents us from hearing it. Now is the perfect moment to silence all those distractions and focus on what truly matters. Are you ready to take that step? Remember that by trusting the universe and your intuition, you'll be on the right path to making the decision that will transform your life. Open yourself to this experience and allow the wisdom of your angels to guide you with serenity and clarity. Have you ever stopped to think that the decision you make tomorrow could extend beyond your immediate future? It could create ripples that last a long time. That is why your angels are encouraging you to consider not only what your rational mind suggests, but also to listen to what your soul truly desires. Are you ready for this call to reflection? It is a unique opportunity to look within yourself and discover those answers you have always sought. The angels are showing you a clear path, but will it be the easiest one to follow? Often, the most challenging paths are the ones that lead us to the greatest rewards. Do you have the courage to choose the right path, even when it challenges your beliefs or forces you out of your comfort zone? That is exactly the challenge that lies ahead of you. Personal transformation is well within your reach. Tomorrow, as you make your decision, you will be taking the first step towards a new phase in your life. Imagine a phase full of growth, new challenges, and above all, a realignment with your divine purpose. Your angels want you to know that everything you need is already inside you. The strength, wisdom, and courage you seek are already a part of your being. As you prepare for this crucial moment, your angels ask you to leave behind what no longer serves you. Fears, doubts, and feelings of inadequacy are weights that will only hold you back on this journey. Have you thought about how liberating it would be to shed those burdens? Now is the time to make space for the new, allowing divine light to illuminate every step of your path. Remember, your angels are always by your side, encouraging you to take this step with confidence. Overcoming fear is essential, and they are here to support you in this process. Have you noticed how fear is often just an illusion, a barrier that you can break down? What really matters is the love and light you carry within you. Those are your true guides, and they will never abandon you. So, how about embracing this call and embarking on this journey of self-discovery and growth? Your angels believe in you, and it's time for you to believe too. As time passes and the decision approaches, have you felt that weight on your chest? A mix of anxiety and expectation that seems to keep you from peace? Know that this is completely normal. Your angels are aware of this whirlwind of emotions and want you to understand that they are signs that something truly important is about to happen in your life. Instead of fighting against these feelings, why not embrace them? They are part of the incredible transformation process you are about to experience. Just imagine, tomorrow when that decision is finally made, you will experience a moment of absolute clarity. It will be as if all the clouds blocking your view suddenly dissipate, revealing a clear and certain path that has always been there, waiting for you. And along with that clarity, a profound sense of inner peace will envelop you, making you know with total certainty that you are heading in the right direction. Your angels are preparing this moment of clarity for you, and all they ask is that you be open to receive it. Have you ever stopped to think how divine intervention often only makes sense in hindsight? Sometimes, we don't understand why certain things happen until we realize how everything fits perfectly in the end. Your angels are guiding you toward a destiny aligned with your true life purpose. They have been silently working behind the scenes, tweaking small details, synchronizing events, and bringing the right people into your path. So when that decision is made tomorrow, you will clearly see the fruits of this divine work manifesting in your life. But be aware, this clarity and divine intervention do not mean the path will always be easy. Challenges will come, and your angels want you to be prepared to face them with courage and determination. Each obstacle that arises is an opportunity for growth, a chance to strengthen yourself and draw closer to your purpose. They are asking you to see these challenges not as insurmountable barriers, but as steps that elevate you to a deeper level of awareness and personal fulfillment. Are you ready to embrace this journey and transform each difficulty into a step toward a stronger and more fulfilled version of yourself? This is the perfect moment to look within yourself. Before making any important decision, take some time to be silent and be with yourself. How do you connect with your own emotions and thoughts? Allow yourself this moment of tranquility to tune in with your angels, to seek guidance, and to listen closely to what your heart has to say. The answer you are looking for is right inside you, just waiting to be revealed. Your angels are certain that by giving yourself this space for reflection, the decision you make will be the one most aligned with your true self. As you dive deeper into this process of introspection, you'll begin to notice certain patterns in your life that need to be transformed so that you can move forward. Have you already noticed what these patterns are? They may be patterns of negative thinking, behaviors that no longer serve you, or even relationships that need to be reassessed. Your angels are encouraging you to identify these patterns and to take steps to change them. Of course, this may require a good dose of courage, as deep changes often bring some discomfort. However, these transformations are essential for your personal growth and ongoing evolution. Imagine yourself tomorrow, after having made this important decision. You will find yourself on a new path, which may initially seem uncertain, but will soon reveal numerous blessings. Your angels want you to understand that the personal transformation you are about to experience will be profound and lasting. You will come out of this process stronger, wiser, and more connected to your true life purpose. Remember that the empowerment you seek so much already resides within you, waiting to be awakened. Your angels are here to remind you that you have everything you need to face the challenges ahead. Doubts and fears will have no place in the new phase of your life. Starting tomorrow, you will begin to see the world with a new perspective, identifying opportunities that previously went unnoticed and feeling empowered to take full advantage of each one. Are you ready for this journey of self-discovery and transformation? Allow yourself this reflection and trust that, with the guidance of your angels, you are on the right path to a fuller life, aligned with your true self. Have you ever felt that need to trust more in yourself and in the path you are on? Your angels are calling you precisely for that. They encourage you to believe in the process, trust in yourself, and follow the guidance they are offering you. Even when the journey ahead seems daunting, know that they reassure you that you are exactly where you need to be. The universe is fully on your side, working tirelessly to ensure that every decision you make is the best one possible. As a decisive moment approaches, are you realizing the true importance of what is about to happen? Your angels want you to have full awareness of this crucial moment. Tomorrow will be a day that will mark not only practical aspects of your life, but also your spiritual growth. Great transformations are on the way, and even if they seem challenging, they are the open doors for you to reach your highest purpose. Do you feel alone in this process? Your angels are always present, reminding you that you are not alone. Divine protection accompanies you every step of the way, preparing the ground for you to move forward with confidence. Knowing that every decision you make is being guided by a higher power brings an incredible serenity. This is a powerful reminder that faith will be your greatest ally. Even when things seem uncertain, keeping the faith is essential, as it is the thread that connects you to the positive outcome that the universe has specially prepared for you. When facing important decisions, are you listening to what your heart says? It is crucial that you are anchored in the emotions and the deepest truth that you feel. The mind may try to divert your focus, bringing doubts and uncertainties, but your angels encourage you to go beyond that. Seek the answers within yourself, where your purest connection to the divine resides. It is in this inner silence that you will find the wisdom necessary to follow the right path, aligned with your true self. Trust in this process, trust in yourself, and allow divine guidance to lead you towards your fullest and most fulfilled destiny. Have you ever imagined what tomorrow might bring new to your life? Tomorrow marks the beginning of a new chapter, filled with fresh opportunities, exciting challenges, and above all, the chance to become an even better version of yourself. Think about being more mindful, deeply connected to your essence, and fully prepared to embrace everything the future has in store for you. Are you ready for the choices that will come? Your angels are here to remind you that every decision you make will be crucial for the unfolding of your journey. But don't worry, these choices do not need to be made with fear or hesitation. On the contrary, it is the perfect time to act with an open heart and the certainty that you are on the right path, regardless of the circumstances that may arise. Throughout our journey, both light and darkness will be present. But where are you directing your attention? Your angels want you to focus on the light, on love, faith, and trust. The darkness, in fact, serves only to remind you of what you have already overcome and what you truly no longer want in your life. Focusing on the light means building solid pillars that will support you in the upcoming phases of your life. Imagine the feeling of making an important decision and feeling a great weight being lifted off your shoulders. It will be as if the universe is finally aligning all things, putting everything in the right place for you. Isn't that a wonderful feeling? This is a perfect moment to celebrate. Celebrate not only the decisions you are about to make, but also the entire journey that has brought you here. Every small step, every challenge overcome, every fear faced, your angels are applauding you for all of it. They want you to know that you are fully worthy of all the blessings that are to come, that all your effort has been rewarded, and that the universe is about to gift you in ways you can't even imagine. Tomorrow will be the first day of a new phase in your life. A phase where you will be more aligned with your purpose, more aware of your choices, and deeply connected to your true essence. Your angels will always be by your side, guiding, protecting, and celebrating every victory and achievement of yours. They encourage you to stay strong, to trust the process, and to never lose sight of the love that brought you here. So, are you ready to embrace this new beginning? Remember, you are not alone on this journey. With an open heart and your angels by your side, the future is bright and full of incredible possibilities. Let your heart and mind connect deeply with these words. Have you stopped to think about how the universe really wants the best for you? No matter which path you choose, it ensures that everything will turn out positively. How about affirming that right now? Type, "I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me." This simple declaration is the key to claiming this powerful message and all the blessings it brings to your life. Moreover, how about spreading this positivity? Leave an encouraging comment for other viewers who may need a boost of good energy today. The universe recognizes and values every act of kindness we share. Together, we can lift each other up and create a wave of positive energy that transforms our days. And if you are not yet part of our community, don't waste any more time. Subscribe to the channel right now and keep an eye out for the special message we've prepared for you in the next video. Just imagine how much your life can change by staying connected to these positive energies. May God and the universe illuminate your every step with peace, love, and faith. Amen.